Good morning, boys and girls. This is your Language Arts e-learning lesson for Monday, April 20th. We're going to start with grammar. You need to go to your English textbook, page 130. For today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, you're going to be working on the Unit 3 checkup, which is a review of everything that has been covered in Unit 3, all about verbs. Let's take a look at what you'll be working on today. Today you'll be completing sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's everything that is on page 130. So we're going to start by looking at section 1, action verbs. The directions tell you to write the action verb in each sentence. So you simply need to read the sentence and write just the action verb. In section 2, direct objects, write the direct object. So you're going to read the sentence and you're going to look for the direct object. Remember that the direct object will answer a question for you. So, for example, in number 8, scientists study the planets. We're talking about the scientists. What is it that the scientists do? They study. So you have your subject verb, scientists study. But then if you ask the question, what do they study? They study the planets. Planets is the direct object. Okay, so again, if you find your subject and your verb and then look at the verb and you ask yourself the question, what or how, you will be able to figure out the direct object. So again, scientists study the planets, subject is scientists, verb is study, and then you look at the verb and you ask yourself, well, study, well, what do they study? They study planets. Planets is the direct object. All you need to write is the direct object in each sentence, and each of these sentences contains a direct object. Number 3, main verbs and helping verbs. Write the verb in these sentences. Underline the helping verb once and the verb twice. Well, you do not need to write the sentences. All you need to do is to write the helping verb and the main verb, and then simply underline the helping verb once and the main verb twice. Again, you only need to write the answers, in this case, helping verb and main verb. Up at the top of the page, section 4, linking verbs. Write each sentence. Again, you do not need to write the sentence. And then it says to underline the linking verb and draw an arrow to show the words that the verb links. All you need to do, write the linking verb. Just simply write the linking verb in each of those sentences. Section 5, present tense. Write the present tense form of each verb. So again, all you're doing is writing the present tense form of the verb. And section 6, past tense. Write the past tense form of each verb. And again, in sections 5 and 6, the verb is written in parentheses. In section 5, you have to write the present tense of the verb in parentheses. And down here in section 6, you're writing the past tense of the verb in parentheses. So everything on page 130 needs to be completed. That's numbers 1 to 41. And for every sentence, all you need to do is to write the correct answer, the correct verb. Okay, that's all you have to do today in grammar. Then today in Wordly Wise, you have section 12e where you need to read the passage and answer the questions. Remember that you always answer those questions using complete sentences. And any time a vocabulary word is not used in the question, there needs to be one used in the answer. So in the end, all 15 words have been used. You also have spelling pretest, and that is for lesson 26. So again, you take that first practice test as a pretest. And then don't forget fever, it's chapter 17. Read the chapter and answer the questions. Also, please make sure you're spending some time reading your AR book. You still want to work on achieving your AR goal. Okay. Again, as you're working, any questions, anything you need help with, please make sure you let me know so that I can help you out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.